I wish to discuss these problems right away, very simple problems, need not take a pen or a paper. I just want to explain here. As you can see, this is right angle and this is right angle, and there is a vertically opposite angle operating between these two triangles, and the sides are given as equal. Therefore, angle side angle congruency, these two triangles are congruent, and therefore if I know, as I know PQ value, AB will be known. Hence, this is by CPCT. We can calculate the breadth of the river without crossing it actually. And let me go into the fourth problem. As you can see, the sides are already given as equal. OC equals OB. Now, this is vertically opposite angles, so one of this angle is equal to this angle at angle O, and angle C equals angle B by alternate interior angles, as AB is parallel to CD, which is given. Therefore, by CPCT, OA equals to OD, and therefore O is the midpoint of AD, as well as similarly OC is equal to OB, and therefore that is the midpoint for BC also. Hence, if these two sides are equal, it is by CPCT. Here the congruency is side, this is one angle, this is side, and this is the other angle. Alternate interior angles, vertically opposite angles, and the included side. Therefore, it is ASA congruency between these two triangles. The sixth problem, in two right triangles, here there are two right triangles. One side is equal, and also one of the acute angles, one of these two is also equal for both of them, and the third is this right angle being for common for both these things. I have angle side angle congruency between these two things, and therefore these two triangles are congruent by ASA congruency criterion. That completes sixth question discussion. The seventh question says AB equals to PQ and BC equals to QR. This side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side, and it is given that these two are equal. Now, I just for example I am telling you, if this is 120, this would be 60 degrees. Similarly, if this is equal to this, then the internal angle also would agree. Therefore, by side angle side congruency, these two triangles are congruent. That is how we can prove the congruency between these two. I am just giving you the ideas. The rest, all the detailed notes, you have to make it out for yourself. All these problems are quite easy. Therefore, I am not going into the detailed descriptive part of the questions.